Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going antique shopping. I know. Now I've never been to this particular one before. It's an hour and a half away, so it's a long drive. My husband's coming along. In fact, it was his idea. Now this place, I know it's curated items from each independent owner because it's a huge building with different booths and the people actually own these individual areas. So it's going to be very interesting to see what is there and what people have. Now thrifting is quite different, so it's a lot more curated items that people have traveled and collected and then they're selling, so the prices will be a little bit higher than normal. But let's go and see what's there, or you never know, I may find some bargains. So let's go antiquing. First booth up, this antique corner shelf here that I just looked at is $110. And I just had to back up just to get a good look at it. But this is how I would actually style it in the corner here. I remember my mum having one of this in her home actually. Moving on next to this 120 vintage pedestal. I recently saw this on Facebook Marketplace for $40. So it's always good to check out Facebook Marketplace first. The first booth we're looking at here, they had some really good old items, but I think none of it really interested me really. I do feel a little bit of it was a little bit overpriced, if I have to be honest. I am in the market for a nice small side table to put some vases or vessels on. So I am having a look at more of those items to see what is available. Now this table will make a really nice centerpiece. Very beautiful. It's priced at $360. It's an oriental antique table. Very nice to style. Very rustic. Beautiful patina on it. I love the color of these. They were mixing bowls and $30. I wasn't sure if it was for the set though. However, they were from German and I think German and Hungarian pottery mixed together. But beautiful colors, whatever styling or using on on the table for dinner or on the patio. But very beautiful. I just love the styling of them. This little jug here, perfect for having your olive oil. It can be used for that also, as it was glazed inside. I think it was $100 or something, $130. I thought, wow, that's beautiful, but yeah, yet very pricey. These bowls here caught my eye, and these were actually German, I think, if my memory served me correct. They were $120 for the smaller one, and the larger one I think was a little bit more, if my memory served me correct as well. And they were possibly European as well. I think they were German. I think they were made in German, but they were very beautiful, well looked after, definitely. Now these are salt glazed jars, perfect for holding any of your spoons, wooden spoons, rolling pins, etc. It is vintage. They're usually priced around 70 upwards. I've seen them on an Etsy, so this was fairly priced, but beautiful and well made. Okay, so I have seen these about, and I always compare to Facebook Marketplace, and even when I go to the thrift store, this is priced at 140. I do feel this is very overpriced, and I probably wouldn't get this here. They are there are quite a number of them here around. I couldn't understand why this was here and priced the way it was. It looked plasticky for me. These were vintage books.
Okay, these are vintage books, a stack for $15. So this one says The Piping Times by Jeffrey
I
Farnell.
would say though that I've seen them at my local thrift store and they're priced at $2 each. So I would still save myself some money if I buy it at my thrift store rather than at the antique store.
Cute little bookmarks. This looks something like you will find in a medieval haunted house. Just looks really scary. Really scary to me. Price is $650. It's a vintage ornate pedestal lamp. Yeah. This is a front desk, vintage front desk, Asian carvings, $495. Very well made. Look at the carvings at the front.
This vintage wash basin set caught my eye. This is beautifully made. It was priced at $420, which is in its original state. Yeah, definitely, because they can go for higher. This is how I would actually style it with a picture, and I would actually store it in the bathroom still. It is beautiful, very stunning.
Okay, so the reason why I'm showing you this bowl here or base, which is a vase, this is actually sold in Target. I actually bought one of these at Christmas time. So they're selling it. So the owner of the store has made it into a lamp. Okay, and they've done it for many other bases that they've taken from various stores and turned them into lamps and charging what is it, $20, $70 for the base, $140 for the whole lamp. That is totally interesting that they've done that and trying to sell it off as antique. Seriously, I can't believe these people. This is just really low. Look at this. I actually have this one in my house. I've actually did a DIY because I paid $17 for it at Target. And I'll show it to you. What I DIY. And they're charging $89 for the base. And what is it? I think it's 100 and something for the actual lamp itself, for the whole item. This one is nice, I'll give it that. The DIY on them is really good. But I just feel that it's a bit of a cheat really to do this. This is creative, this I like. I like what they've done here. They've taken the wood. Oh, look at this one, it's closer. This is 200 and they've made it into a lamp. That is beautiful. That is nice. That is artistic and I think warranted. But to take a high street item, a high street store, and to turn it into something and then charge an overprice for it, I think it's totally out of order. This one here is nice as well. I love this one. This fabric I've seen in my local store. Don't get me wrong, the craftsmanship is beautiful. This I have in my actual bathroom. This lamp is this jug vase vessel is in my bathroom, and again bought from Target, and they're selling it for $119 as the whole item. And to be honest, the top of the lamp doesn't even match. It's too small. I don't like it. I don't like what they've done there. It's a bit cheating. Oh, that's all right. Don't worry about me. Thank you anyway. This one is nice over here. I do like, this is nice. And I said the craftsmanship is really nice there. You can see that gold. This is really lovely. I don't like how they've tied together. I think it's a wrong match. Anyway, I just thought it's a little bit tricky of them to do this, actually. I don't know how people haven't noticed, but I know I have. I guess because I shop around a lot.
Oh, is it envelope? Yeah. There's one more. You know what? He's quite, I like his face.
I must admit there's some beautiful finds in this store. Really lovely. I love this actually. It's $35. Water and pestle. Cool. Everything is such fair. And it's a pot, I'm getting that. It's a nice pot.
Yeah.
Only $24. I'll take it out now. And it comes with a base as well. Get it for me. Get it for me. just take it to the front for now. Where? I think the front desk where we walked in.
Well, all right, guys, we've come to the end. This is the best booth I was at. I went to 2 different antique malls and they were lovely, but this was the best. I would say, as a word of caution, though, that to just be mindful of how much money you want to spend and be careful. If you're interested in something, make sure you check. Stand there and you look at it and you Google it so you know you're paying the right price and a fair price. What do you think of the actual booth that had all of the items from Target, that they try to dress it up as though it was antique? Let me know your comments down below about that. I felt it was a little bit cheeky and kind of sneaky, to be honest, trying to trick people that these were antique items or even handcrafted when they weren't. But let me know what you think. Thanks for watching the video. I'll show you all the items I brought home with me on the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment and subscribe to the video if you enjoyed it. My name is Karen. Thank you for watching Country Home Decor, and I'll take you out with me again. Bye for now. Happy creating, crafting all of your beautiful items for your charming home. See you in the next one. Bye.